Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these crochet trees, and they're perfect for the holidays. You can also take yarn on the top of them and create a garland. And I used an H hook with medium worsted yarn. You can use different types of hook if you want to make it larger or smaller. This was just a few inches in size, and the pattern for this is down below. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to create a magic circle, slip stitch into it, and create 4 single crochet inside. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, repeat for 3 more times. A link for the magic circles down below, and to put your video in slow motion is down below if you need to. Now pull it closed, and you're going to work right into that center and create a single crochet inside that center because you're going across. So right inside that first stitch there, create a single crochet, and then inside that center twice, create a single crochet, and then create another single crochet. That's the top of the tree. It'll make more sense once it's done on that part. And then into that next stitch, you're going to create a single crochet, and that's just going across that first row. Then you're going to chain 1 and turn. Now in that back loop, I'm going to single crochet, and then in the next I'm going to single crochet again, and then in the next I'm going to work a single crochet, and then another single crochet for an increase, and then that last stitch I'm working a single crochet, and that's for the next row. And then I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and then just go across again, single crochet, single crochet again in the next back loop, single crochet in the next back loop, create an increase, so another single crochet in the back loop, and then finish with a single crochet in the back loop, and then another single crochet in the back loop, and then chain 1 and turn, and then go across, single crochet in the back loop, single crochet in the back loop, single crochet, single crochet, increase again. Well, actually I'm going to go into the next one, single crochet, and then single crochet, increase in the next one, and then single crochet, and then single crochet in the back loop again, and then chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the back loop, single crochet in the next back loop, single crochet in the next back loop, single crochet in the back loop, single crochet in the same for an increase, so 2, and then single crochet in the next back loop, and then single crochet in the next back loop, and then single crochet again, and then chain 1 and turn, and then single crochet in the back loop, single crochet again, single crochet in the next back loop, single crochet in the next back loop, single crochet in the next back loop, single crochet increase, 2, single crochet, single crochet in the next back loop, and then single crochet in the next, and then single crochet in the last one in the back loop, and then chain 1 and turn. And it's gradually getting bigger and bigger, and they're all done in the back loop, and then the center has an increase, so single crochet again in the back loop, single crochet in the back loop, single crochet again, single crochet in the back loop, and single crochet in the center there, and then single crochet in that same one to create the increase, twice single crochet, and then single crochet in the next back loop until you get to the end. And then chain 1 and turn. Single crochet until you get to the center in the back loop, single crochet in the next back loop, until you get to the center. You'll create the increase, and then create your increase here, and then single crochet in the next stitches in each back loop until you get to the end. And you can make this tree as long as you like, or you can stop. Single crochet in each back loop until you get to the center for your increase. Create 2 single crochet increase in the back loop here, and then work your single crochet in each back loop until you get to the end. Chain 1 and turn, and just repeat single crochet in each back loop until you get to the center again, and then work that increase. Now work your increase here, and then work your single crochet in each back loop until you get to the end again. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's all finished. You can keep going, just keep working your increases in the center. It doesn't have to be perfectly in the center, just roughly in the center. There's no right or wrong, and you can use a bigger hook, a smaller hook. And this is what it looks like. You're just going to weave in your ends to complete this. You can yarn over, pull through, and then take your yarn needle and weave in your ends, and then your tree is complete. You can add some yarn on top and create a garland and stream a bunch of trees together. That's always really cute. Okay. Now if you like to add a tree trunk, you can slip stitch in your new color and chain 1. Okay, you're going to half double crochet and the next one, and then 2 stitches, and then 3. This is all half double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and then pull through all the 3 loops on the hook, and then in that next stitch, so 4 stitches all together. You can make it smaller or wider, and then chain 1, turn, and you can make it a little bit longer and create a half double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and that will create your tree trunk. It's just a half double crochet, and then it's complete, and you can weave in all your ends on this tree trunk. You can do just 3 half double crochet if you don't want to make your tree trunk as wide. It's up to you. Now your tree is complete. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.